Up, y'all? It's your boy Bear on Wheels. Today we're going to be making a Fender Eliminator kit, but DIY since I can't find one for this bike. So yeah, I'll take you guys along the steps to Home Depot, and I got this piece of wood right here. I got it from the Cole lumber, which is the Cole. It's gonna have this purple stripes on there. Paid $1 for it. So what I did was I measured out how big the license plate's gonna be on here, and how I'm gonna do all this, where I'm gonna put the lights, and then you guys will see how it all comes out. The next part is measuring how far in the plastics is gonna be. So for mine, for example, I'm bolting it up to this inner plastic right here. So I just need to see how far in I need to go. So I'm probably gonna go in about 4 or 5 inches from it, and I'm gonna angle this wood, and yeah, I'll show you guys right now. So I measured it out to 7 inches, and I'm gonna cut it. I fixed my blade to cut not more than it needs to. So yeah, we'll see how it all comes out. Oh, you know what? Safety first. Hey, got the glasses on. Let's do this. Got disconnected. Maybe I didn't connect it, I don't know. Nope, I guess I didn't connect it. Alright guys, so here we have a 7-inch piece and 2 4-inch pieces. So pretty much what we're gonna do is, well, these are gonna be at an angle. I'm gonna sand them down a bit, have them go like that, and from there we'll go on. Then we'll figure out how we're gonna mount everything correctly, sand down the sides, and bracket up the whole light and everything for it too. Alright guys, so I like ghettoly rigged this up. I just held this down, got everything down, sanded down the corner. So what I did was I got one angle at what I wanted it to, and then I put the other one parallel to it. You're gonna have a little bit off of the side, but once it's all done, you'll have 2 angles that are the same at the same height. So what I'm pretty much doing is one side's gonna go like that, and the other side's gonna go right here, right here. I just gotta figure out how far off it is, but yeah. So yep, that's pretty much it right now. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to mock this up on the bike. I'm going to take off the old Fender kit, and then I'll figure out how all this is going. Alright guys, so got that off. Now you got to figure out which wires go to what. So for me, this wire right here goes to my license plate light, and then these two are going to be my turn signal lights. So you got to disconnect these two. It should just be a wire, like a little crimp connection, and then put them back on, and then that way you can relocate them to the pieces of wood. Alright y'all, so just make sure that when you guys take them off and everything, I already got them off my plate and my little thing. Make sure you guys find a way to make sure you put them in the right spot. So for example, this is my left turn signal, this is my right. So I'm just leaving them hanging off the side of the bike so I know which side goes on which side. I mean, you can still do it after and try it once you get all that done, but so far it's looking pretty nice. Now it's just making sure that the wood levels up and everything else fits correctly. Alright y'all, so I figured out these pieces are too big. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to So what I'm trying to level them to is this piece right here. So this piece right here has a good little mounting spot. So there's already a pre-drill hole in the back there, and I'm gonna put another one right in here. But you see it sticks out too much. So what I wanted to match up to this bottom piece right here, which is actually already flat. That would be able to hold out that piece of wood. Alright y'all, so what I did was I made the hole level in the middle, big enough for my light to fit in. And then I made these holes. Well, first I made the holes in the actual frame. So I have three holes, got them to line up with this. And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put them into place and then figure out how everything else is gonna look. Alright y'all, so it's starting to get dark, but this is pretty much what I got. So as you can see, the screws are in there. Got this down, got the hole for the light. Two sides. I'm gonna paint it right now. And then I'll show you guys what we're gonna do about the turn signals in a little bit. Alright y'all, so this is pretty much the finished project. I made the two holes for the lights, fit perfectly. Got the hole for the license plate, and now I'm gonna paint it, and so we'll do that right now. Alright guys, so the paint I'm using is this Rust-Oleum Ultra Matte. So this is actually coming out a lot better than I thought. So what you want to do is you want to just give it a few light sprays first, make sure you don't miss any spots. Let it sit for a little bit, and then come back to it. Alright guys, so it's been a couple days, but I got everything fitted. So as you can see, piece of wood back here, and I got the wood to go down here. The turn signals fit perfectly on here. It's not too big, not super obtrusive. Everything fit nicely. And yeah guys, it cost me, I think I paid $1.75 for the piece of wood, because remember how I said it was a piece of cold lumber. So if you go to the back of any Home Depot, or usually Lowe's, I don't know if Lowe's has it too, but you can get stuff on discount. And then I just use basic hand tools. I use a saw, sander, and a drill. You just need some drill bits and then just some screws to get everything fitted up. But yeah, everything fit perfectly fine, and I'm really happy with it. I've already gone riding twice, like 2 or 3 times, but everything fit correctly. So yeah guys, thank you for checking out today's video, and remember, like, comment, subscribe.